welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have a very special unboxing. It is the Colourpop High School Musical line. If you guys would like to see this unboxing, please keep on watching. Okay, so first I gotta cut this box open because I did not cheat and I didn't even go in it. And this is like one of the most exciting collabs I feel like Colourpop has ever done. I know they have done Hocus Pocus, Lizzie McGuire, they've done Frozen and things like that, but like High School Musical is near and dear to my heart and I absolutely love it. So when I saw they dropped this, I was like the news about it coming out, I was like, oh my gosh, I need this like right away. This is amazing. So I got the PR box, so this is what it looks like. So cute. And then it says all of their names on it. So cute. And can you tell my shirt? High School Musical. I'll show you the full thing at the end. Hopefully I remember. This is awesome. Look at the inside of the box. What dang? Wildcats, of course. Oh! Oh my gosh. Look at this. Colourpop Wildcats in the house. So it's basically giving a rundown of everything that should be in the box. So there should be a palette, some blush, lip crayons, and cream gel liner trio. So what is this? This I could see on the back. Looks like it is the eyeshadow palette. Good thing I kept my scissors next to me because I need that to get in here. Guys, am I the only one freaking out? Like, look at this. The shade names are like the most adorable thing. Like, I think they picked the perfect names for this. Alrighty, we're gonna crack this baby open. Creme Brulee, Big Game, Gabriella, Chad, Student Body, Something New, Detention, Sharpay, Troy, Tinkletown. These are all so cute. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look at the inside of this palette. Like, just look at it. And let's get a close-up. For the palette, I'm going to have to say, as a long-time High School Musical fan, they did an amazing job. Like, with the shimmers and the mattes and like just the color scheme, like it gives that 2000s vibe, but with like a modern spin. And like, I just love all the colors. Like, I think whoever came up with this did a perfect job. I don't think I would change it because there are some Colourpop collabs that I'm like, especially the Hocus Pocus one, I'm like, they could have done different colors, but like this, I feel like is so beautiful. Like, I love this palette. Love it. Alrighty, what else have we gotten here? Oh, this here. Yeah, oh, getting too excited. Alrighty, getting back to where we were. So let's see the shade names of these. Get them all in line here. So we got Cello, Pop and Lock, and Status Quo. Love it. Let's see what these are. I'm pretty sure these are the lip crayons. Yes, they are. Look at the packaging on this. So adorable. Ooh, red. That's my color. Definitely know I'm going to be using this. And that was the shade Cello. Let's see. Next we have the shade Pop and Lock. The entire soundtrack is just going through my head as I am saying these shades. This is a beautiful pink. Look at that. Scream Sharpay Evans to me. And the last of the third ones, this one is Status Quo. Let's see. Ooh, this is really beautiful. It's like a rosy nude that will go with everything. They gave the perfect lips, like a red, a pink, and then a nude. I love that. Next in our box, ooh, I'll do these. This is the Cream Gel Liner Trio, and I guess they're called Showbiz. So cute. The shades are Exit, Spring Musical, and In This Together. Or should I say Spring Musical? Alrighty. The white, this one is Exit. You can never go wrong with a white eyeliner pen. The red one is Spring Musical. Love that as well. And the windy ones are always good, so you don't have to worry about a sharpener. And then the last one is In This Together. Before I show you In This Together, let me just show you the beautiful detailing on the lids. All the stars, and it says High School Musical on them. Alrighty, and this is a really pretty gold. I'm actually very excited about this gold because I used to have a gold eyeliner I used to wear to high school, and it's no longer here anymore. So I'm very glad I got this really beautiful gold. And I think this is the last of the stuff in the box, and they are the blushes. Love how they wrap these, because the worst thing that could happen is that like you get like a cracked pan. So this one, let's see, these, no, in Colourpop everything has a shade. Maybe it's on the back. Oh, there it goes. Freaky Genius Girl. Love that. Look it. So cute. And like the quality is all really nice too. Look at this. East High School. Love the imprints in them. Our next one is Wildcats. Alrighty, let's get this one out. Let's see what shade Wildcats is. Ooh. Love how they have the Wildcat imprint in here. This shade is too light for me, I feel, but still gonna keep it, of course. Alrighty, last but not least, this is Playoffs. Oh, I love this one. This is the one I was awaiting. It is a deeper pink. The paw prints are so cute. Originally, I wasn't planning on buying the entire PR because I was like, I don't know if it's gonna sell out before I get on the website, but I was lucky enough that I got there on time and I got the entire collection, and I was super happy about that. Like, I love collecting the collab lines. Like, I have all of the Disney princess lines from Colourpop. I have Lizzie McGuire, I have all of the Frozen, and then all the little odds and ends of Colourpop. I love their makeup, would definitely recommend. And as a huge High School Musical lover, I would definitely recommend this entire collection. I will be trying it out in future videos, maybe even on Reels on Instagram, so you guys can look forward to that as well. That was all that they had to show in this box. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to leave some comments down below on what other videos you guys would like to see. And with all of that said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah. Before I go, I did promise to show my shirt. This is my shirt. I got this from Hot Topic. So cute.